self-promoters are janky. We established.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. This is the least glamorous I've ever looked on this channel, and I'm really sorry about it. Today's video is going to be preparing for a music festival. I'm so excited. Tomorrow I'm going to my first music festival ever. I've wanted to go to a music festival since I was in high school, like freshman, sophomore year of high school. And so I'm so excited. I'm going to Dreamville. I'm going to see SZA, J. Cole, 21 Savage, Tiana Taylor, Nelly, and a whole bunch of other people. And I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to be so dope and so fun. But here's the kicker. It is tomorrow. I am choosing between 6 outfits. I need to charge my portable charger. I need to get my parking pass on my phone. I still need to put my tickets on my phone. I need to figure out what makeup look I want to wear. It's like, oh my God. Only thing I really need to bring with me, portable charger, ID, like debit card, obviously. That's like everything I need, I feel like. Because it's not like, it's just like a day thing. Like it's not like a weekend, like I'm not staying. It's not like Coachella or something. So yeah. And also I need to do my hair tonight so that I don't have to do it tomorrow because I'm not good at waking up early. I have a thyroid disease called hyperthyroidism, and it makes me extremely fatigued, so waking up early is really hard for me. Okay, so the look I'm going for my hair is like half up, half down on both sides, and I want to put like these little beads on it. I'm wearing this wig so I can do it tonight and then just put it back on tomorrow. Thank God for wigs. I'm gonna grab my straightener and the beads that I want to put in my hair, and it's gonna be fun. BRB. Since we know each other a little better now, I'm gonna get closer, get a little bit up in your personal space. You can get a little bit in my personal space. Don't ask what kind of straightener I'm using. I got it at Walmart. This is not some like super fancy straightener. I am not one of these beauty gurus. Right till I can't no more. I got the one. Now, I'm really not good at straightening my hair. My best friend makes fun of me because I got all these wigs and I don't know how to do hair. She thinks it's hilarious. Haha, you think it's so funny? Come help me do my hair. Right now, I'm just straightening it before I do anything so that it's like straight when I'm trying to style it. I don't have to deal with like any issues. But you know what? With my natural hair, when I'm being patient, I'm really good. I have like my natural hair is curly, so when I'm being patient with my natural hair, very good, very good. Okay, so now that it's all straight, it will be easier to style, even though like, don't get it fooled. People on Instagram be making it seem like it's so easy to style wigs, but it's not at all. I'm over here about to do this half up, half down with no scrunchie. Like, how's it gonna stay up, dingbat? Oh my God, I still have so many hair ties left. That's so rare, because like, girls are always running out of hair ties, and here I am with a bunch of them. I just have so many hair ties. I get really big, like jumbo hair ties, like this size, and even this isn't big enough for my hair because my natural hair is so thick that it has to be that big in order to hold my natural hair in a ponytail. So yeah, my hair ties are really thick, so I'm gonna have to like double, triple, quadruple knot them in here. Oh no, that's not high enough. That just looks like a weird side pony. No. And if you can see any lace right now, like don't worry about it. I'm gonna have my baby hairs done tomorrow so that it will cover any lace that is out. Ouch, the heck? Jeez. Oh gosh, ouch. My arms are so tired right now. I don't know if that's how I like was picturing it. I feel like I look like Baby Spice. I feel like I want it, okay, I feel like it's going to the right and I want it to go like straight back. I think that's better. It's more to the center of my head, so it's not gonna droop to the right as much. And then look, and it's pulling the lace too much. Remember when I said styling wigs isn't as easy as people on Instagram make it seem? This is literally exactly what I was talking about. Fall. This is so hard, oh my God. Okay, I finally got it. Look at how cute this is. one ponytail, half up, half down, and I got my little clips in it. Some of you were never forced to wear beads in your hair when you were younger, and it shows. Okay, so I'm going to post on Instagram and ask you guys which of the 2 outfits that I narrowed it down to you like the most. Put my portable charger on the charger. Paul is knocked out, but I'm gonna come and use his little charger because I need to put my portable charger on the charger and I need his wire for it. And I will see you guys in the morning. Okay, so I woke up, brushed my teeth, put my wig on, cause that stuff is so awkward to do on camera. But I need to shave, and I was supposed to do this last night, and I purposely didn't because I just wanted to go to sleep. You know what? This wouldn't even be a problem if grown people weren't offended by women having body hair, okay? But whatever, I'm gonna conform to some beauty standards today. TMI, but like everything on this channel is TMI. Look how smooth. Oh my God. Yes! Okay, now let's see what outfit Instagram wants me to wear. So it was almost a 50-50 split, but most or more people said the black bodysuit. I'm gonna try them both on again and just finalize that in a second, but right now I have my contacts on. Shameless self-promo. If you wanna see me do my makeup, that's going to be in a separate get ready with me video. So yeah, click right here. Okay, so look at my makeup. It is so pretty. The hair is so pretty. I changed my earrings, not only because these are more festival-like and colorful, but because my other earrings were real jewelry, and if I lose them or one falls out or something at that festival, I'll want a dime. Official outfit reveal. I chose to go ahead and do the black bodysuit. My beauty room was a mess. Please don't look back there. That's not what we're talking about. Don't stop looking. You're being nosy. So this is the outfit I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna put on some white Stan Smith Adidas because my white Stan Smith Adidas are already ruined, so I don't have to worry about getting them dirty. Yes, very smart of me, right? Oh my God, my cheeks look so big right now. Okay, I'm bugging.
Filling up a buggy, and I send the fast for fresh nails and a new pack of hair. I'm feeling cocky in my naked dress. Extra sense and Judas taking days.
I tell you I'll be here. So one day, I'll let you go. Ready to take the place. Okay, I'll give you what you've been missing on weekdays. What you
A lot of access in the competition, got a challenge. I walk through.
Start with the rolling on. Or was I getaway car, Jack portfolio? You hear me? I heard I got some sweetness. I'm in love. J. Cole is on all the way back there, but my feet hurt so bad from waiting for SZA. I can't go see him.
the biggest two things. I didn't release my phone. I should've known, I should've known. You on, me on.